Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Double O, aka King Chef, and this is I Go Ham, the cooking show. And we making breakfast this morning. What is that noise? We making breakfast this morning. I'm cutting up some potatoes, as you see. I'm trying to do it with one hand and hold the camera, but I'm cutting up these potatoes in little squares. I'm gonna throw some onions and I diced up some onions and whatnot. Green peppers. You see what I'm doing. You see what is going on. I'm gonna sprinkle the onion powder on there. On the potatoes, I like to give it a light dusting. You see them cookies back there? That's the triple chocolate Big Reach chip cookies that we got going back there. Throw a little garlic powder on there. Yes sir, it's beautiful. Okay, we got it seasoned. Let me go check the grease and put the grease back on because I was cooking it too hot. I got my pop over there. I'm thirsty as hell. I'm gonna take a sip of it right now. Grease is getting piping hot. You want that grease to be perfect and hot because you're gonna really be kind of like deep frying the potatoes. I already got the sausage, onions, peppers cut up ready, already fried up. Got the cheese on deck ready for the eggs. And then I got the bacon already in the oven because that's how black folk do it. We put the bacon in the oven. And here we go. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Oh, look, that thing is hot and it's gonna get right. I don't know why I sung, but whatever. There we go. Slide to the left. Well, look at that popping there. That look good. Look, that look good. We're gonna even turn the heat up even more. We're gonna turn it up on high. Yeah, start that jump. Yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. And I call that beautiful. Got the butter back there. I browned the butter. I don't know if y'all hip to that, but I brown my butter before I cook it on my eggs. Put a little seasoning in there. Look at that bacon. We got the potatoes. Look at that sausage, potatoes, onions, green peppers all put up in there. Look at that. Still sizzling. Look at that. What's next? After we do that, we're gonna throw some cheese in there, hot pepper cheese. Where that cheese on? Look at that. I'm gonna drop the camera eggs when that cheese is good. But that ain't it. We mixing it up. But that's the hot pepper cheese. That's the hot pepper cheese that's inside the joints. Look at that. Y'all eggs don't be like this. Cheesy eggs. Real cheese. Look at that. Cheesy eggs. Cheese everywhere. And then guess what? It's a surprise. It's already stupid cheesy. But black folk throw that square cheese on top of that joint. Yeah, man. Throw that square cheese on top of that. Yeah. Black folk. That's what we like. That's what we do. Oh. I lift my hands in total praise to you. That shit looks delicious. I cuss. How damn I gotta erase that, man. I gotta stop cussing. Anyway, here we go. So cheesy, I curse. Look at that. Oh, we're gonna throw the cheese on that too? No, that's what you're gonna do, Tom? Yeah, throw that cheese on that too. We black folk, that's what we do. Throw cheese all on it. Give me another piece. Look at that. Hold on. Them two different color cheeses. Oh, one's pepper jack and one's all American. No wonder. Then look at this. Voila. Simple. Eggs to perfection. Beautiful. All I did was put just a couple sprinkles of onion powder and garlic powder in there too. We didn't use no salt. We didn't have to. Bacon came out crispy. Look at the plates. Oh, they love me for this. Look at that. Look at them potatoes and cheese and onions. Look. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look, even a little kid. This one a kid. Look. Eating great. Look at that. All that sausage and peppers all up in that joint. Well, that's how I go down, y'all. I want to thank you guys for coming in here. Please like, subscribe, share, do the whole thing for your boys because it's not monetized because I curse. So holla at your boy. Peace.